Many people believe Okinawa is the place with the greatest longevity in the world. A good proportion of the population get to 100 years old or more. We were not sure if the secret was ingesting high amounts of takoyaki or drinking sake every day. But a couple of hours away from Naha, there is a place that could bring us some answers. It is a remote island called Zamami. As soon as we arrived to Zamami, I understood the many ways how this place could easily add some use to your lifespan. Man, it could even get rid of those wrinkles you have in your face. This island makes you feel so connected with nature and with yourself. What would it be living your childhood here? Can you imagine? Going to school by the beach, swimming with turtles and fish every day while you enjoy the eye-catching landscapes? It's one of those places, man, that can change your perspective of life.
So we now hired a taxi, a water taxi, to go to one of the islands. The taxi is like probably 15 to 20 minutes. It's really close. And the island is basically the third island.
There's the island over there.
You can see it back here. It has amazing beaches. So let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at it from the sky as well.
We had enjoyed swimming, hiking, eating and relaxing in Zamami. I really hope that helped us extend our lives at least a couple of years. But it was time already to go back to the city, back to Naha. You haven't been to Naha if you did not visit Kokusai Dori Street in the Makishi district. Full of music, food and venues dressed in full light. This is a place where locals and tourists come every night to have a good time shopping, drinking, eating and having fun. So, with our bellies full of sea grapes, ramen and sake, we enjoyed Naha and prepared to explore more of Okinawa the next day. Since the weather was starting to be rainy, we thought it would be better to visit the Shiromi Aquarium, which is the second biggest in the world, having succeeded in raising 3 whale sharks in captivity inside a gigantic tank. There's usually a lot of people, but I think it was worth it for a rainy day. And that was it. Our time in Okinawa was over. It was definitely fun. And now we were flying to Osaka, but that is a story for another time. See you soon, mates. Well, right now we are in Kyoto and this place is Arashiyama Monkey Forest. It's really crowded. Oops, no drones here, so I'm sorry guys, but I cannot show you this from the sky. It's been there 1 year.
1 year.
Are you serious?
Este man la tiene clarita.